It's a familiar story that happens more often than you think. Unfortunately, buyers and sellers don't always see eye to eye about what stays and what goes during move out. Watch to find out what home sellers can take with them when they go. Roll the music. Hi there, I'm Justin.Adams, a real estate agent serving the amazing people of the greater Orlando area. And today I'm excited to talk to you about what sellers can take with them when they move. So, who gets to keep the appliances, drapes, or the $10,000 water feature in the front yard when buying or selling a home? Here's a rule of thumb so you have more clarity during the buying or selling process. Legally, anything bolted, nailed, wired, cemented, or permanently glued to the property becomes a fixture, and fixtures stay behind when the seller leaves. Let me give you a few examples of how this plays out during a sale. Number 1, appliances. A washing machine is considered personal property because it can easily be unplumbed and unplugged, so the sellers are entitled to take it with them. Likewise, while less mobile, a stove or refrigerator can still technically be moved, so the seller has a right to take it with them. This is why most contracts specifically include ovens, stoves, and refrigerators. Number 2, window dressings. Drapes can easily be unhooked, so they remain the seller's personal property. The drapery rods and cornices are bolted to the wall, so they must be left behind. However, most drapes are purchased to fit the home's design and rarely look good in the seller's new home, which is why most sellers leave their drapes behind, even though they are entitled to take them. Number 3, flooring. A rug laying on the floor will go with the seller, but any flooring that is tacked, nailed, fitted, or glued down stays. Number 4, hardware and fixtures. Generally, all doorknobs, mailboxes, light switches, hardware, mirrors, swag lights, and water features transfer to the new owner. If there is something specific you absolutely cannot leave behind in the move, consider replacing it before placing your home on the market. There are a few exceptions to this rule, so speak with a good real estate agent before you write your contract. Number 5, TVs. Technically, mounted TVs are not fixed to the home. They're fixed to the mount, which is then fixed to the home. So the general rule of thumb is that the TV goes and the mount stays. Never assume anything you see on the property comes with the house. If you are unsure, speak to your agent for clarity and always have them write everything you want in the contract because everything, and I mean everything, is always negotiable. If you have any questions about anything I covered today, or if you're thinking about making a move, feel free to post a comment or message me directly with the links posted below. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you hear. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next episode.